Making vlog is one of the most prominent ways to earn passive income. Many attempt to attract audience and making different content of interest to engage with their audience for a chance of winning the viewer's attention and beating the YouTube algorithm. Obviously I am one of them. But there are some well-known personality who have the same experience, but now seems indulging the product of their determination and hard works. Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be exploring the life of one of the most successful YouTuber around the world. Yes, it is no other than Mrbeast. Jimmy Donaldson aka Mrbeast is one of the most viewed YouTubers thanks to his attention-grabbing stunts and one of the most highest paid creators on YouTube. He's known for such stunts as reading every word in the dictionary, turning a backyard into a ball pit.
This is 100 million Orbeez. We're gonna fill this pool and this entire backyard with them. Woo, Orbeez! Yeah!
Buying everything in a store, and giving away $1 million but only giving people 1 minute to spend it. His ambitious challenges and money giveaways have helped him grow his channel to roughly 80+ million subscribers. Here's how Mrbeast rose to fame. Mrbeast was born as Jimmy Donaldson on May 7, 1998. Greenville, North Carolina, and his brother, CJ. In 2016 he graduated from Greenville Christian Academy, a private high school in the area. Donaldson uploaded his first YouTube in February 2012, when he was just 13 years old. The teenager began his YouTube career posting videos under the username Mrbeast6000. For the first few years, Donaldson attempted, unsuccessfully, to master the YouTube algorithm by creating the content he thought would attract the largest audience. As Mrbeast attempted to game YouTube's algorithm, the aspiring YouTuber went through stages of trends on his channel, funny compilations of highlights in playing Minecraft and Call of Duty, estimating YouTubers' wealth, offering tips and tricks to aspiring creators, and commentating on YouTuber drama. Mrbeast himself made very few appearances in his videos in the early days. Mrbeast started to gain a following in 2015 and 2016 thanks to his Worst Intros series of videos, which rounded up and poked fun at YouTuber introductions he discovered on the platform. By mid-2016, Mrbeast hit 30,000 subscribers. In late 2016, Mrbeast enrolled in college, although the details of his higher education are hard to come by. The YouTuber said he lasted only 2 weeks in college before he dropped out, telling his mom, "I'd rather be poor than do anything beside YouTube." His mom made him move out of his childhood home North Carolina at 18. "My mom loves me and just wanted me to be successful," Mrbeast said. Mrbeast first went viral in January 2017, when he uploaded a video showing himself counting to 100,000. Which he later revealed took him 44 hours. "I just really wanted it," Mrbeast later said about the challenge. "I had dropped out of college, I wasn't really making much. I knew it would go viral." After that first video went viral, Mrbeast found what the YouTube algorithm liked. He quickly amassed more views with similar stunts, like spinning a fidget spinner for 24 hours and watching Jake Paul's It's Everyday Bro music video for 10 hours straight. By November 2017, Mrbeast reached 1 million subscribers. Now, Mrbeast has a few types of videos that serve as his bread and butter on his channel, watching over a challenge competing for $1 million. Mrbeast still puts on exhausting hours-long stunts which have been referred to as Junklord. He also make a challenge like a last person to leave challenges in which he gives out thousands of dollars. These videos titles range from going through the same drive-through 1,000 times to last to remove hand, gets Lamborghini challenge. Mrbeast also puts on attention-grabbing donation and charity stunts. He once opened up a car dealership where he gave out cars for free, and is known to dole out thousands of dollars to small streamers on Twitch. Anyway, Twitch is a live streaming platform for gamers and other lifestyle casters that supports building communities around a shared and streamable interest. Just recently Mrbeast uploaded a real-life Squid Game challenge inspired by the Netflix Korean movie Squid Game. And just a few days ago he also uploaded a video of the creator tournament participated by different well-known personalities on YouTube for a chance of winning $1 million.